Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to Priyanka's English tutorial class. Very good evening. Today I am new to this video, but I would like to tell you about myself. In this video, through my channel, I would like to speak, tell, write, listen, and everything about English vocabulary, writing skills from C.B.S.E or ICSE background or West Bengal background. Because myself as a teacher, I love to teach and I started my online classes. So as we know, we all are locked down during this pandemic. So I thought of helping to all students, to all my viewers. So please like, subscribe to my channel if you are new. Hope you will like it. If there is any doubts or anything you want to drop a comment, you can always drop comments in my Dropbox. I'm always there. Thank you for watching. Now, in this video, I'm going to tell you about classified advertisement. What is classified advertisement? You have heard it about classified ads in many local dailies, newspapers or magazines or any TV channels or anywhere where employer gives this notice. This is an advertisement for the employer to any organization for selling or buying or for any vehicles, properties or anything for recruitment, for situation vacant, vacancies. This is called classified advertisement. And in C.B.S.E for class 11th and 12th, we have this in our English writing skills in our section B called writing, and we have classified advertisement in that. So how to write and what to write, for that I am giving this in this video so that you can easily remember. See, there are few points to remember for classified ads or advertisement so that it is very easy for you guys to remember. See, the first point is that it is always written in a box. Advertisements are always written in a box. So don't forget that. It is easy to remember, quick to remember. First point is always to write in a box. Second, we can use short phrases for advertisements. We cannot use any conjunctions, articles or any prepositions, but you can write it in short phrases. So do not worry about any grammatical errors or expressions. You are free to use, but in short phrases. Now, the third point to remember while writing a classified ad is you should write it in, see, simple, easy language. We can use it in very short, precise and very factual writing, but in simple sentences. And the last point, which is very important but not the least, you can remember that you have to mention the heading of the classified ads, whether on top of it or either inside that box, and use it in capital letters or bold letters. That is very much easy to understand that you are giving a classified ad. So now I am going to tell you about the marking scheme, format and what are the things you need to write while writing a classified ad. The main thing about the classified ad is all about 4 marks. You need to remember it's just about 4 marks which you can get very easily. And here, see, the word limit is very less, only 50 words. So you do not have to expand or elaborate more. Whatever you can write, or you need to be very precisely write and in very short. Okay. And see, the marks distribution here is given in 3 types. Like you will get format or the heading, you will get 1 marks in that. So you need to be very appropriate while writing the proper format. Second, the content. It takes only 2 marks. So whatever you're writing in that content, it should be of properly written, properly nicely written in that box. And third one is the expression. It's again 1 mark. So total it is of 4 marks of the advertisement, which you can get very easily. So now it comes now about different types of classified ads, which you have already heard in many local newspapers, as I have already told, like in situations: wanted, vacant, toilet, for sale, car for sale, miscellaneous, missing, kennels, livestock, lost and found, so many. Miscellaneous, these are different types of classified ads which you can get in easily, and how to write and what to write. So basically I will tell you how to write in that classified ad. See now, suppose I have given a question in a classified ad. I want a computer operator in a mall. I am a recruiter. So how will you write that ad? See, first in capital letters, situations vacant. Then you can start by writing wanted. That is also in capital letters. If you write, it looks very attractive, very nice, so that the other person who is reading or who is going to apply for this post can easily know what you are giving that. And like smart man or woman, if you want anyone to apply, you can write. And now you have to write that what experience you want from the applier or the employer who is sending this. He should be fluent in English to work as. So you have to write the vacancy for the post or the application, then in which shop, in mall, Delhi, or any mall name or any shop's name, and you can write that attractive salary along with bonus, apply within 10 days. Now you have to give the name and the address or the phone number or email ID to contact with that person easily, so that the other person who is going to apply for this post can easily apply to you within 10 days with your name and phone number written on it. So this is the easy way to write a classified ad for a recruiter to whom you are recruiting, so that the other person who wants to apply for this post can easily see this. So this is called classified. There are also several examples of classified ads, as I told you. For the missing person, if somebody is missing, you can always write that. Or if you want to buy a car or to sell a car or a property, to purchase a car or any vehicles or any lost and found, or for any travel, tourism, miscellaneous, you can easily quick and easily write this in 50 words of 4 marks. Situations vacant, if you want, that time you can write wanted or required, travel and tourism. Then the heading and the things in the box will automatically change, but it should be very simple and easy to understand. Okay, this is the quick steps to remember. So I think you will get it, you will like it, and please do solve the questions. If you want me to do more videos, please let me know, so that I can definitely do and help you all. Thank you for watching.